Following calls from the business community in Sav-La-Mar, Westmoreland for road repairs post-Hurricane Melissa, the Minister of Industry and Commerce, Aubyn Hill, visited the chamber meeting where he promised to ease their frustration. Kimberly Petty has the details.
A room filled with concerned business operators in Sav-La-Mar, Westmoreland, as Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubyn Hill, listened to their plight at the monthly chamber meeting. Among the concerns, the length of time it's taken for Westmoreland to get the attention it needs.
Why it is that Westmoreland, maybe because it's so far, I don't know why it's taking so long for us to get our rightful share of government expenditure.
In response, Senator Hill stressed that things had happened in a particular sequence post-Melissa before getting to the business community. This is where NARA comes in. The stakeholders presented 2 proposals which detailed 5 areas needing urgent attention within the next 8 months. These include road rehabilitation, town enhancement and development, garbage collection improvement, new market or relocation, and an investment facilitation program. On the issue of roads, they're requesting they be patched in the short term.
One of the things that we want to do as a government is to move the roads away from right next to the sea. Now, those roads were built to help move sugar, I imagine, that we had. That was in the interest of the colonial power. So they built the roads to suit their interest. And frankly, climate change and whatever else has changed, the world changes. When you have a road so close to the sea, you're going to have problems.
There were mixed views on the issue of the market. The chamber is recommending that it be relocated or that a new one be built.
If you move the market south, you're going to have a serious problem. The people don't find and nothing to go from young people.
There are many business people who have invested heavily in this town. So I would suggest that we have some consultations with the people.
The market has been in a state of disrepair for years, forcing vendors to sell on the streets, which adds to the congestion in the town. Mr. Hill said he will note the concerns and point them to the local government ministry. On the way forward, Chamber President Moses Charbar is hopeful.
The business community had quite a bit of concerns, quite a bit of questions, and they were answered. There were some questions that didn't fall directly on the Minister Hill's portfolio, and he promised he would take it back to those ministries and also the cabinet.
Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.